Residents in St. Thomas say the Dalvey Main Road is on the verge of a complete collapse. The road worsened after the hurricane. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Driving, riding, or even walking along the Dalvey Main Road in St. Thomas has become an extreme sport for those who live and work in the area.
You have to pass day and night, and it seems as if they're not going to fix it until it causes a big accident. So we need it.
Dalvey is one of the most populated areas in the parish. Yet, the major thoroughfare that connects several communities is in urgent need of repair.
Now, I'm about 5 feet 5.5 inches, and the depth of the breakaway in the Dalvey Main Road is probably about 6 feet, and it could be even more. But residents say it wasn't always like this. In fact, the road would have come somewhere to about here, but now only one vehicle at a time can pass, as you just saw. And even that is a little bit dangerous because under the road, it's significantly undermined as well.
One truckload of sand and throw it so. One truckload of mall with no wall. Just throw it there so. The rain come, wash away everything and gone. So see there? So the things set up. So we don't know what they do.
Yes, it was filled with some debris and it washed out. But I don't see that it's going to be an issue for it to be that you have to go back to tender because it was put in place. And yes, it got a little larger, but I think it does help the process to dig it out that, yes, speedy attention to it.
Currently, a single culvert is used to channel the water from one side of the roadway to the other. Those in the area say it's woefully inadequate. Councillor for the Dalvey Division, Michael McLeod, says it's part of the reason for the delay in the road repairs. Last November, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and a team visited and committed to making funds available to have the major thoroughfare fixed. The Member of Parliament, Dr. Michelle Charles, told us that a contract was indeed signed recently. However, she wasn't able to say how soon work will begin.
So now we're back to square one, even more of a bigger hole. And so I would say, and I encourage the residents to please be careful crossing that area, but please be aware that the contract has been approved and we are working as quickly as possible to do that.
As for the people who continue to carefully cross the breakaway,
it's very terrible. So I need it to fix and fix good too. That's if now storm come, the kids them are passed, they are free to go back and forth.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
To a primetime news follow-up.